Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Star World TV. Today we will learn Python syntax practically. You will write your first Python code step by step and understand how Python reads your instructions. Syntax simply means the rules of writing code. Just like a language has grammar, Python also has rules. If we follow the rules, Python understands us clearly. Now let us create our first Python program. Make a file named main.py. Write print, open bracket, quotes, hello world, close quotes, and close bracket. Then run python main.py. The print function is used to show output on the screen. In this line, print is the built-in function, and hello world is the text we want to display. Comments are notes for humans. Python ignores comments while running the program. Variables store information, like name stores Ali and age stores 20. Indentation is very important in Python. It means spaces at the start of a line. Python uses indentation to understand which code belongs inside a block. Beginners often make small syntax mistakes, like missing a bracket, quote, spelling, or indentation. Do not worry. Read the error, check the line, and fix it calmly. Now we combine everything in a small final program. We use variables, print statements, and indentation. Great work! Subscribe to Star World TV, and in the next video we will learn variables and data types.